Good morning. This is the new project that will start today. Right here, the owners, they don't have the money to replace all the roof. But the problem on this roof is in the valleys. They are leaking pretty bad. Over here, close to the wall, it's leaking pretty bad. When it's raining, if you go inside to the building, it's raining inside, not outside. So in this point, I will replace just the valley, the two lines over here, the first two lines over here in the wall. So I'm gonna replace two lines in the wall all around the building. That rain, you can see that rain, how bad it is. It's pretty bad. You can see over here this crack. The water is going in easy. It's pretty bad, this roof. Just on the valleys. The rest of the roof looks good. You can see how the roof is. It's pretty good. It's just the valleys that they are pretty bad. So I'm gonna replace all the valleys all the way straight till the building. All this, all this, all this. So wait for the next Peter. Then I'm gonna replace. This is Radway Roofing. Radway Roofing with another project. Thanks.